This is a 2011 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is riddled with electrical problems. You can look through this channel and see many of the electrical problems that we fixed on this car. And in the latest electrical seizure that this car has had, in the same trip, we had the rear passenger door switch go bad, and the rear view camera go on the blink, and the ABS light lit up, and we checked with the scan tool. It diagnosed the rear left ABS sensor with intermittent signal. So in this video, we're replacing that ABS sensor. This is the ABS sensor with its wire and its mounting brackets. It has one mounting bolt for the sensor, two bolts for this bracket, another bolt for this bracket, a bolt for this bracket, another bolt for this bracket, and finally a grommet that goes into the wheel well. This is the ABS sensor that we're using for this repair, and this is the part number, and I'll include it in the video description. This turned out to be a pretty good fit. Here is the new sensor laid side by side with the old sensor, and they are pretty much identical. Should not be any difficulty in fitting it. The sensor wiring routes into the cabin through the wheel well arch, and the only way you can really access it is remove this entire wheel well liner. I really couldn't find any way to pull it back sufficiently to get the access that I needed, and I had to take the whole thing off. This is where the ABS sensor goes, facing toward the front, and its wiring runs along the control arm and up into the wheel well and then into the cabin. The real tricky piece of this process is getting to the connector inside, and the connector is right here. You have to pry off this plastic trim piece that's right behind the seat. Okay, so then you can connect the wire right in there. And here is what it looks like plugged in. It's all back together. Nobody will ever know that anything happened here. The ABS light and all the other lights that came on with it, traction and whatever, they're all off. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.